So we'll go with the second activity. The second activity is 2.5.5 configure initial switch settings. Okay, so I'll open the PDF first. This is the initial settings question. Okay, five parts are there. Part 1, verify default switch configuration. Second one, part 2, configure basic switch configuration. First one is verifying, checking. Second one is configure the switch details. Third one, the configure a MOTD and a month message of the day banner. Fourth one, saving configuration to NVRAM, non-volatile RAM. So here, when you are doing, no, it's not saved, so you have to save it specifically towards the NVRAM and configure the S2. Okay. So first you have to enter the open the switch first. Okay. So where is a switch file? So packet tracer file. This is a packet tracer switch file. Okay. Just open that 2.5.5 pre-configured file. Okay. So as I told earlier, we have to enter our name, remove the guest. Do not use guest account, because when I give a file, if it is not changed, the name not changed means I will not take into account. Okay, so I will not consider that file. So it should be your name, not guest name, and your email ID. I can check whether you copied the file or you have done yourself. If you copy it from someone, no, it will show your name, the particular person's name and email. So do not copy the files. Okay, you have to do yourself. Okay, do not copy someone's file and send it to me. Okay, you can easily find out, and I will put 0 mark for that. Okay, just inform me. Now step 1, enter the privilege mode. Okay, click S1. So here I am going to directly enter the switch. See, there is no console connection here, just we have Ethernet connection, fast Ethernet connection. Okay, Mr. how you connected, this actually done by them. So if you want to know how you connected, I'll just show you. So let me see if I can. No, I cannot add that. Okay, I'll show you later. Now they are asking me to open the switch one. So just go S1 and see nothing is there. So what I will do, you should enter, click the cursor, enter key. Now I can see switch greater than symbol and user exit mode. Say again, Mr. I can't see this. So what I will do, I have to go to preferences. I have to go for the font size. I have to go for make it say maximum 20. Here also maximum 20. Colors I am not going to change. I'll just check this one. Again open now. You can see the big one. Okay. So what does the question is asking? Enter the privilege mode. So what I told you is, this is user exit mode. To enter into privilege exit mode, any hash mode, type enable. If you don't want to type the full command, just type en then tab key, enable. Now you are in privilege exit mode. See here, privileged exit mode. Okay. Now examine the current switch configuration. I want to see what is the configuration currently available in my switch. What is the command I have to type? Show running configuration. Okay, so I'll go here, show running. Mr. This is very big command. Mr. I can't remember this one, so just type show run. If you feel that show running -config is a big command, means just type show run. Okay, just go here, show bar then run. You can see so many commands already there. Okay, so much configuration already there. So they're asking how many fast Ethernet interface does the switch have, how many gigabit Ethernet interface switch have, what is the value of range of value shown for VTY and a telnet. I'll tell you what is that. Which command display current contents of non-volatile. Okay, why does switch respond to startup config is not present. Okay, so here first one, fast Ethernet 0 bar 1. Now the cursor is showing, so press enter. 2, fast Ethernet 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Just I am counting. Okay, 24 fast Ethernet ports means LAN ports. Okay, connecting to computer or switch or router, right? Like, okay, like that. Giga means little bit faster interface LAN ports, okay, gigabits. Gigabit Ethernet only two, 0 or 1 and 2. VLAN 1. So to set an IP address for this switch, I need VLAN 1 virtual interface. We'll tell you later. No IP address there. Line console, there is no password for console. You remember the previous activity, we connected a cable, console cable, no? Like that, if I want to access it through console, I set a password here. If I set a password, you cannot access freely or enter the password. So here no password. Virtual terminal VTY 0 to 4 5 to 15 means this 15 lines, okay, 0 to 15 lines are for virtual terminal, yani telnet. So sitting from a remote location, I can access this switch. Like your system administrator, you are at home and you want to configure the switch. So remotely we can access the switch or router by using telnet. Okay. What command will display the current contents of non-volatile RAM access memory? Why does the switch respond startup config is not present? Okay. So this too we'll do in the class tomorrow. Okay, I will give the answer. Now you go for the basic switch configuration. Okay, this is theory, just I'll tell you later. These two. Okay, tomorrow we'll see. Now assign a name to the switch. I want to name the switch. Okay, so see here the switch is named as switch only. I want to convert that into S1, or maybe you can give your name. I'll make my name switch name as Shinas College Switch or Utah Shinas SZCT, or maybe my name Rajesh or Mohammed, whatever you want to give, you can give. How to do this? Go to the switch. Now you are in privilege mode. You want to go to configuration mode. So, Mister, you have to type configure terminal. Mister, this is very difficult. I can't type this. So just config, enter. Cursor will come. Yes. Or go back. Type CONF space T. Configure CONF terminal T. Like this. Now you are in configuration mode. You can do the changes, but still the switch name is switch. So what I will do, the command to change the name of the switch, host name Badin S1. Okay, if you don't want to type the full command, just type HOST tab symbol name S1. Do not put a space in between name. Okay, just put the letters or the name characters. Okay, S1. Now see the name has changed. Okay, now just exit, go back to privilege mode. Yes. Secure access to console line. So here I told you, if you don't have console password, anybody bring a blue color console cable, connect from the computer RS232 to the switch console port, and they will start configuring the switch. They may change the name of the switch, they may do some port changes, everything. So to secure the switch, I want to set the console password. So how do we do this? So go to the configure terminal again, CONF space T. Now line console bar then 0. Measure again, it is very difficult, big command. So what I will do, line CON bar then 0. Measure, I know what is line, what is console. Mr. Why you put 0? Because we have only one port for connecting this console cable, so we put 0 here. Okay, now we enter into a new mode. See, config line mode. Okay, now what is the password you want to set? Password. Again, wizard, I don't know the spelling of password, so just pass tab key. What is the password given in the question paper? Let me in. Let me in. Maybe in the exam I will ask you another question like configure the console password as Shinas. So we'll put line con 0 password Shinas. Okay, enter. Then we have two more commands, login. So this password when you want to give is whenever you log in to the switch, the password, console password should be let me. Then after you finish the configuration, come out of this line mode, go back to config mode. How? Every Mode, you want to go back, you have to type every time, you have to type exit. See, when I type exit, I am in config mode. Okay. Why is a login command required? Check that. Okay. Now verify that console access is secured. How do we verify this? Okay. Just go back again. Again, we are going back. So from privilege to user exit. Now see, when you are about to enter the switch, they are asking the password. If you don't give the password, console password, you cannot enter the switch. So let me in. When you are typing the password, you cannot see the password over there. Just you type. Okay. Now you enter the switch user exit. Okay. If the switch did not prompt you for a password, then you didn't configure the login parameter. Okay. So that's the use of this login command. If I don't put this login command, what happens? The switch will not ask password for you. Okay. So during console access, when you are giving this login command in the console configuration only, during the console access, it will ask you the password. Otherwise, it will not ask password. Okay. So secure the privilege mode. Now privilege mode. So privilege mode, as I already discussed, no, this is privilege mode. Now this user exit mode I already secured by entering console password. Now I want to set the privilege exit mode. Okay, how do I set this privilege exit mode password security? So the command is enable password, enable by password. What is the password given here? C1 $C0. Okay, C1 $C0, not O0. Okay. So what I will do, I'll go back to switch. Now I am in user exit mode. User exit mode. So enable. Now you are in privilege mode. But still, to set the password, I want to go to configure terminal. Okay, conf space T. What is the command? Enable password. See, I just type. I press the which one? Tab key. C1 $C0. I configured the privilege level password. Now testing. For that, go back, exit. Again, exit. Now first password is our console password. Let me in. Now enable. Usually when I type enable, hash will come. But here what happened? The password is asking. Okay, that means we have configured privilege exit password. What was the password we enter? C1 $C0. So I'll type the same C1 $C0. Again, we cannot see the password. We should type password correctly. If you do wrong password, you will not get this hash mode. Okay. So we verified the first password you give is console line count 0. Then we enter the privilege password. Now I want to see the configuration, whatever configuration I have done by using this command, show running config or show run. Okay. For that you have to go to hash mode. Privilege mode is where we type all show commands, Okay. Now I type show running -config message, very difficult, mushkil. So show run. So see here, current configuration. How much bytes? 1131. Host name I give S1. Yes. Enable password I gave C1 $C0. Then what else? Just enter. Line count 0. Password let me in. See, all the passwords are now visible. When someone enter the show command, no show run command, they can see the password from the configuration. It should not be done because it should be secured, right? How do we secure these passwords? How to make these passwords secret? Do not show in plain text. How do we make this console password like let me in and privilege password like C1 $0? How do we make this encrypted or secure? So Here what I'm going to first I will do configure encrypted password to secure access to privilege mode. So now I will just encrypt privilege mode password. Okay. So here what I will do, I will go to config mode, enable secret, it's a secret. So now instead of password command, I put secret command. Okay, this is encrypted password to privilege access mode access. Encrypted. This one does configure a password for privilege access. Just a password. That's why we put enable password C100, but the password is visible in the show run. Now here what I'm going to do, encrypted password, not just password, encrypted password to privilege mode. So enable secret, the password is it's a secret. Okay, I'll go here. So this keep on going. Okay, now go to configure mode, enable secret, it's a secret. What is the password given in the question paper? Same you have to give. This is encrypted password to privilege access mode. Enable secret. Normal password for privilege access means enable password and password. But problem is that password is visible in the show run configuration. That's why I make it encrypted. So enable secret, a new password. It's a secret. Okay. Now I want to check whether the password newly set password is encrypted or not, secret or not. So exit. Mr. I want to see the show run or running configuration. So Mr. You told me show run. This is error. See invalid input detected. Any error. Mr. Why the command is correct, but what is the error? Because I told you all the show commands works only in hash mode, privilege mode, not in another mode. See this, you are in global configuration mode. So you have to go back, enter. Now type show run. See, enable secret password is encrypted with some value. It's not the password, this is different. Encrypted value. The old password is still visible, and console password also still visible. Okay. So what is displayed for enable secret? As we did some numbers. Why enable secret password differently from what we configured? Because we configured secret password or encrypted. That is, it changes its form, secret form. Now I want to encrypt the remaining two passwords, enable passwords and console password. So how do I encrypt? See, when I open show run, still I can see console password let me in, and the normal privilege password and enable password C1.0 still there. I want to encrypt these two. What should I do? Okay, wait, I have a call. So what we do is we want to encrypt the complete password. Okay, so what we want to do is go down, go down, go down, go down, and go to configure terminal again. Now the command is service password hyphen encryption. This command will encrypt all the passwords like console password let me in. This also will be converted to password like this $1 like that different value, and this enable password C1 also will be converted to the format like this. So encrypted secret form. So what should I do? Go to config mode. I'll type service password hyphen encryption. Mr. I cannot type this big one. I will make spelling mistakes. So what we'll do? Just put service, then PA password encryption. See, it will come. Service password encryption. Okay. Now after that, go back and check. So go back is exit. Checking is show run. When I check, see all the passwords have become secret. This also secret. This also secret. What about console? Enter key. Go down. Console also now secret. Okay. Now banner message of the day. Sometimes whenever someone enter your switch mode, you have to display some warning messages. Okay, how to put that warning message, we have banner command. Okay, banner MOTD means message of the day. So command is go to configuration mode, banner space MOTD and in message of the day space double quotes, enter the message, close double quotes. Do not forget to close it by double quotes. Okay, so go here. I will just copy this because I am lazy, so I will copy this big message, just this message. This may be changing. In some, maybe I will ask you configure a banner as Shina's College. Then you have to put banner space MOGD space double quote Shina's College. Okay. So here I will go configure terminal banner MOTD space. I want to put double quotes message double quotes. I'll just copy paste, enter. When will the banner display? Why should every switch have banner? So when you come out of the switch, when you enter the switch first time, they will show banner. Then this is a warning message to everyone. Okay, entering the switch with or without permission. Now save and verify the configuration files to NVRAM. Okay, so NVRAM means non-volatile RAM. So till now we didn't save the commands. Okay, now we are going to save the commands into NVRAM. Okay, so the command is copy running configuration startup configuration. Whatever you are doing is in RAM, is in running configuration. Copy that into NVRAM or startup configuration. Okay. So what I will do, copy running config startup config. Use the command you have to type. That also in which mode? Hash mode. See, configuration mode only used for doing the configuration like setting the name of the switch, passwords, everything we go for configuration. All the show commands, all the copy commands, everything we'll do in the hash mode. Okay, so go back is exit and copy running configuration startup. These are very difficult big command. So what I will do, copy run start or copy run start. They will ask you destination file name. Just no need to give any file name, just exit, just enter. Okay, again copy run then start. Okay, another method is WR write, that also same, but better this one is better, copy run start. Okay, so which command will display content of NVRAM? Okay, examine the startup configuration. Okay, so we'll go here, show startup configuration. So now startup configuration has updated everything. Okay, all the whatever you did, it's now saved into NVRAM. And how do we display? Show startup configuration. Okay, all are recorded. Now the same way you have to configure S2. This is the homework part. Okay.